Hello, my lovely people of the world. If you are new here, my name is Brunel. Welcome, one and all. For everyone else, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for your continued support. So, if you've known me for a while, you know I'm not the biggest fan of false eyelashes. I know they can complete the look and they can make the look, but I'm not the greatest fan of them. Partly because my eyes a lot of real estate. When I have false eyelashes, I normally don't need to trim them because they take my whole eyelid, or should I say eyelash. So they get a bit heavy and then they droop down a little bit and then it becomes really uncomfortable for me. And all I can do is just see the shadow of the eyelash and I'm just like, no. Other than that as well, normally the thick bands are not comfortable for me. So occasionally I will splurge and go for the individual lashes. But these ones were sent to me for free. As always, my faults are my own. I have no idea if these are going to work. These are the magnetic eyelashes from a company called Chicnetic. And yeah, so if you're interested in these at the end, if they'll work and I say yes, they're approved and have worked for me, the chances are they'll work for you because I am rubbish at applying eyelashes on. Hopefully this is going to work. There is going to be a discount code as well for you to get 30% off. And these are vegan, cruelty-free, and also super easy. Just apply the eyeliner, get your eyelashes, pop them on, and before the magnetic eyelash itself, the liner dries, and you are good to go. Now, you do get 2 sets in the one that I've got. They are reusable up to 40 times, and which is actually great. So there's the kit in here. I've got the applicator you can get, as well as, excuse the nails, as well as obviously the eyeliner itself. And then you've also got the eyelashes in here, which is nice in this little case. And you can see it's got a mirror as well, which is perfect for applying. So this is what they look like. You've got one set there and then you've got another set underneath. If I can get it open, that is. What a surprise that I can't open something. What a surprise. Who amongst you lot who knows me, is surprised. So then you have the other set in here. And this is great because actually you can seal it when you're finished in the evening. You've taken them off and keep them protected. So that is great. So I'm going to do is, it does say to shake this a little bit, so I'm going to do that. And look at this makeup. I love this makeup. I'm going to have to recreate this. Super easy, but I like it. Okay, so that's been shaken and I'm just going to open that. Right, this is what it looks like. Now you can see there that it actually brings out a lot of products. So I'm just going to get rid of some. And this is what the brush looks like close up. Not too bad. So I'm just going to line up my eyes. Actually, the actual applicator, the liner, is not too bad at all. Not bad. Look at that. Liner's not bad at all. You can really get a pointed, sharp liner. So I'm really, really impressed with that one. And let's see. I'm trying to make sure that I get the right lash. I'm just going to bend that slightly and just do that quickly before my liner dries. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my God. No way. It worked. No. Wow. This is so easy to apply. Oh my God. Wow. I am impressed. This is so easy. The actual liner works really well. As soon as you get it in place, it's there. You can feel it. It's in place. I'm just going to move it about a little bit. The only thing is it's a bit sticky, so be mindful. What can I say? It's actually worked. If you are lazy like me, this is not too bad. I mean, I'm still aware that there's false eyelashes, but that's because I'm so sensitive with my eyes and everything. But and then you can just apply mascara on your full your lashes so they blend together. I'm not gonna actually do that. Yeah, because I'm filming another video, but this is so easy. So I'm just gonna quickly apply the other one off camera, and then ooh, see you in a mo. All right, people, so this is it. It's done. I mean, come on. You guys know I am rubbish, really rubbish at putting these on. I mean, I'm a convert. Yeah, so these ones, by the way, you can trim them to size. So if your eyes are not as abundantly large as mine, then yeah, you can do that. You can actually trim them to size. They've got, I like the fact they've got 4 different magnets to be able to help you feel more secure. But the one that impresses me the most is the actual eyeliner, liquid eyeliner itself. That one is actually, well, should I call it liquid? Magnetic liquid eyeliner, if I want a better description. It is just brilliant, and the liner itself is actually really good for getting really sharp lines, and it's black as anything. So even if I wasn't using the actual magnetic eyelashes, it's actually a really good liner, really good. So I'm quite surprised and impressed. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. As I said, discount code look somewhere up here, and I'll put it in the description bar as well with the link should you be interested. It is a bit more pricey than other magnetics eyelashes that I've seen, but for me personally, this one has worked, and I'm just super happy that something has worked that I can use every day. And as you can see, the lashes aren't too much either. They're not over the top. They're just really great for looks like these, where they're neutral, easygoing, daytime kind of looks, and nothing too heavy, so which is perfect for me. People, thank you very much. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you sooner than you think. Okay, bye.